lie, that motherfucker yanking. Oh my goodness.
Felt like I was locked up in immigration when I got denied in London. I ain't gotta talk about none of these hoes, I ain't scared to say I'm tough. And I ain't gotta worry about none of these rumors, cause you got my trust. I'm losing you and you know it. I'm losing you and you know it. You know, you know. And you know it. And you know I'm losing you, bitch. You only eat vegetarian food in the backseat of the Mazda. You don't speak English immigration. Promise I won't leave you waiting. Catch an Uber to the dealership, girl, you gon' pick up your new registration. Oh no, no, on outside, I just got another bag. Selling P, fuck a swag, drop the diamonds on our last. Hey, what down, y'all? It's your boy Mula. We in B Hills. You know, I got to do my Christmas shopping early. It's November 1st. It's November 1st. I'm doing my Christmas shopping right now. So I'm finna go to Chanel right there on what that is, Robinson, I think it is. Robinson Boulevard, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'm waiting for them to open though. They open at 11. So I'm finna go out there, grab some, you know what I'm saying? Grab what I need to grab for the people I need to grab it for and get the hell on. You feel me? Finna take my ass right back to the crib. I got videos to edit, I got business to handle, I got phone calls to, you know I am. I got videos to film. Go ahead, Mr. Ambulant. Come on, Mr. Ambulant. We gone. Alright, see them. Sorry, I got past y'all fast though, at least, right? Hey, fuck you said, we finna turn off Bell Roads like a real gangster. Oh, we can't turn right down. Melrose Avenue, oh, say pedestrians. Dang, y'all say that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, that shit did get louder. I might have hit the 500 mark. I'm real close. I know that. I know I'm real close. Sidewalk closed. I can scoot up a little bit, see what's going on. Oh, this motherfucker clear as hell. They doing work over here. Work. But hey, man, before I get even, you know what I'm saying, rest in peace to Takeoff, bro. That is crazy as hell, bro. You feel me? I got a real problem with these blogs and these goofies and these lames posting and taking videos of dudes in their last moments, bro. Like that shit is not cool, bro. That shit is not cool at all. People, moms, aunties, sons, you know what I'm saying? Like, that shit, man, that shit ain't cool, bro. It's really lame as hell. Like, you feel me? Just because you want to get a like, that shit really pissed me off, bro. Just because you want to get a like, or you want to get a, you want to be, yeah, I recorded that, yeah, I'm the one that recorded it, or you want to be the one that send it out on people. Like, come on, bro, that shit lame as hell, bro. That shit need to be against the law. Fuck you talking about? That shit need to be against the law. That shit, you go to jail for that shit. What the hell? Don't you go to jail for doing something with like corpse and shit? Like, man, hell no, man. Motherfucker need to go to jail, take pictures like that, boy. Ah, that's some real shit, like, motherfucker, like, boy. That's why I don't play. That's why I don't play. Like, I might tell, hey, boy, what the hell you got going on? Yeah, you did that fast. Good job, broski. But I might play, like, I might be on my main channel. I tell a lot of stories about a lot of my dead homies, but you ain't really gonna see me say their name. Cause all that, motherfucker trying to be cool, motherfucker trying to get attention, talking about they smoking this and they, yeah, alright. Yeah, alright, I ain't got enough self-control like that. Niggas see me in public and say that shit, it's gonna be a fucking problem, like, for real. So, I'm working on it, though. That shit called cooch. Y'all see that shit? That shit say cooch, waxing studio. 4 them grade, they waxing the cooches in there. On bro. You know I am. Fairfax High School. Howdy. Them downshifts be sexy. I feel like it did get, I don't know, it's getting more aggressive though. This motherfucker sound like a Tyrannosaurus Rex, boy. Especially when I first go from like 0 to what? That first takeoff. And don't worry too, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I've been practicing. I already got it kind of damn near down pack in my C8. This shit is loud as hell. That shit got louder, bro. I'm not tripping. That shit got louder. Like it's significantly, folks. Significantly louder. What the hell going on right here? Some bullshit. That shit got significantly louder. Like, that shit sound like a, oh my godness. Oh my God. Y'all hear that? Am I tweaking? Y'all watch these videos, bro. Y'all hear that shit? Shit sound like a, it sound like a damn Lamborghini or something, bro. What the fuck? Y'all better stop playing, folks. Y'all better stop the cap. I'm finna just slide the, let me see. I might just actually, let me see something. I'll be tired of going to Rodeo. Is that far? I might just drive to Rodeo since I'm with y'all. Yeah, I'm just finna drive to Rodeo since I'm with y'all and go shopping over there. I gotta turn around though. I'll do that shit later. But y'all even hear that little small? I was just going 8 miles an hour when I yanked up. It sound way louder. Y'all be the judge though. Now see, I got my thunky on me. Okay, white girl with the old white lady with the big old boat. No, just it's a hookah lounge. Too bad I don't smoke no damn hookah. Oh. Hear them little squeaks. That's normal in a good car though, or like some real good brakes. It's normal. I had to learn that. Almost, I just barely not scraped that shit, y'all. My dumb ass looking to the left. I just barely not scraped that like it probably scraped a tiny bit, but for real, that's a nice ass house right there. Is four-way stop sign? Not four-way stop sign. Well, I'm going. Should have stopped. Goddamn. That's a nice ass house. This is a nice ass house. Matter of fact. Oh yeah, that's decent enough shit over there. That's definitely not the engine. Definitely like that motherfucker. Definitely ready to go. That motherfucker sound crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay, this is four-way stop sign. I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker yanking. Oh my goodness. I think we might be like right before, like right under 500 miles, y'all. Like just finna get to it type shit. What the hell they doing? What the fuck is that? Hello 82, I don't know what that means. Santa Monica Boulevard. I'm still gonna, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna go to Rodeo, but I'm still come back over here, cause, so what you call it, cause there might be some different shit in there. Might be some different shit in these Chanel stores. You know what I'm saying? It might be some different little your digs in these Chanel stores. So, you know. I heard about this car shop. Somebody told me about this car shop. You got a lamb outside. Y'all know I want a lamb, but I don't know. I feel like Lamborghini is for like, I don't know. I don't want no Lamborghini pulling up. I definitely don't want no Lamborghini pulling up to no apartment. You feel me? I feel like Lamborghini is like house in the, I need a house in the hills first, bro. It's always been my dream to get a house in the hills. It was always my dream to get the apartment I have right now. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like a penthouse style, floor to ceiling windows, you know, type vibe. Big whole lot of space in them. You know what I'm saying? Big, you know. But I still, my goal is to get to a big house in the hill. I'm talking about a big house. I ain't talking about no regular. I'm talking about that motherfucker used to be like 4-5 million. You feel me? But I settle for the like 1 or 2. You know what I'm saying? $1 or $2 million crib. I settle for that. You fast me? I settle for that. No kizzy. At least for the startup. You know what I'm saying? That's like finna have like, you know, that's like 1 kid, goddamn it. Then that's how I be looking. Y'all ever see the reflection in your car and they be like, damn, that's how I look. I'm so happy we got the black rims on this bitch already too. On 4 to the now. But yeah, Lamborghini is like, when I get to like, I need them M&Ms in the bank. I ain't got them M&Ms in the bank yet. I made them M&Ms though. But I ain't got them M&Ms just sitting in the bank. I got probably M&Ms in investments and all that little shit like that. Net worth and all that little whatever the fuck. But I ain't got M&Ms in the biz ain't. I go another Vetsky. Just pull past. I wish I would have been over driving with him. Why I ain't never next to one? I want to race. I'm changing my rap quite a bit. Quite a bit I'm gonna be changing it. So yeah. Depending on how much it costs. I don't know how much that shit costs. Let me see something. What that shit say? 3,500 to 5,000 because of their complex shape. Okay, so the Benz would be cheaper than that then. That's cool. I can't complain about that. I can't complain about that. I just won't go to Saks for a week or something. Get my car wrapped, that's all. That's what I be doing. I just be replacing shit with what I already do. So that way I ain't spending no extra money. Like if I want a new car, I'm not gonna really like save up for the new car. I'm just gonna buy the new car and not do what I would usually do to spend that same 10,000 or what 20, whatever it is, you know. So like, okay, I'm not gonna go out of town. You feel me? I'm just gonna not, cause my money is organized for anyway. For everybody that don't know, for everybody that don't know, I be teaching like entrepreneurship, stocks, crypto, business, YouTube, everything that I do, I teach on my membership. So y'all check the link in the description, man. But yeah, I separate my money. So here goes some game for y'all. When you first get your money, you separate it immediately. That's one thing that 99% of the population does not do. They don't separate their money immediately. And even if they do, they just put something in a savings account and they had the rest of their money in another account. You feel me? You don't do that. You don't want to do that. You want to separate all your accounts so it's easy to stay organized like that. Separate your accounts so that like one account for bills, one account is for savings, one account is for one account is for spending, like, you know, I call it the fuck off account. You just fuck this money off, whatever. One account is for investments. So you need at least 4 or 5 accounts. One account is for taxes. You need at least 4 or 5 accounts to actually have your money separated. Especially if you plan on being an entrepreneur or you just want to practice good financial tactics. Always separate your money with exactly what you do, right? So you have to live. That will be my bill account, right? So you can separate however much you need to. And some people, everybody's percentages are different depending on how much money you make. But me personally, I only spend 20% of all my money. So the cars, the clothes, going out with girls, trips, watches, jewelry, anything special that I don't need, that I don't have to do this, like I put it in my fuck off account. And another thing is everything that I spend my money on, since I make YouTube videos, I can write them all off on taxes, right? So that's why a lot of times you're gonna see me do a lot of things on YouTube, because everything I do, I just try to monetize it, because everything I do is kind of interesting, whether it be clothes, shopping, cars, vlog, the videos that I watch, you know what I'm saying? So if I'm gonna watch a video on internet anyway, I'm gonna record it and make some money off of it. If I'm gonna be driving around in a Corvette anyway, I'm gonna record it and make some money off of it. And so that's how you just gotta think, so that way you can write all that off on taxes, right? So boom, you got 20% of my money. This is some real game I'm giving y'all for free. So just imagine what I'm teaching in my membership. So look, you got 20% of my money goes, is called in the fuck off account. That's like, I fuck it off type shit, right? And all of that money gets written off on taxes, so I don't have to pay no taxes for none of that money that I spend. So when I buy this watch, I don't have to pay no taxes for it. These clothes, I don't have to pay taxes for. This car, I can write off on taxes. So these is all write-offs, right? So that's a double whammy right there. So only spending 20% of my money, and it's a write-off on taxes, right? So then boom, where does the rest of my money go? I put 20% in savings, because savings is cool, but at the end of the day, savings does not move my money. It's just saving for a rainy day, right? So a good chunk, 20% of my money goes to savings. Then about 5 or 10% goes into my bills. So I don't spend very much money on bills, and that's why I say, like, I live below my means like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I could afford a lot more than what I do, but I really only spend about 10. Well, it's really about 12 now. After this vet, it's about 12% of my money on bills. So that goes automatically into my account. I I usually double that and put that into that account. So I usually go 20-25% and put that into my bill account, so that way I'm always ahead, right? And I also acquired these bills, so it might take 12% of my overall income monthly. Usually that's on average. Sometimes I make way more than my average. Sometimes I make way more than my average, so it'll be way less percentage wise, but we just going off my average. So this one I'm supposed to turn that? Yep. Turn here anyway, shit. I don't think I'm supposed to turn here, but I know I can turn here, so it's okay. I'm supposed to turn on Santa Monica, which is right there, but that's alright. I can just drive up like dude doing. What's love got to do with it? So yeah, so I always put a cool at least double my money, right? And I acquired these bills after almost 2 years of saving. So I'm already on the 12% that I spend now. I'm already years ahead on bills, right? Years. Like if I can do all this shit I'm doing right now, if I don't move, if I don't acquire no extra bills, I can still live the same for years if I don't make another dollar. You feel me? Okay, so boom. My next account is my investment account. That's my main account, and that's where I put a cool 40% of my overall income into that account. So for every $100,000 I get, $40,000 goes into that account. You know what I'm saying? For every dollar, 40 cents goes into that account. And that account makes me more money, which I then differentiate through my accounts. So any money that I make from my investment account, I then differentiate back, right? So any money I make from an investment, 40% of it goes back into an investment. 20% of it goes to my bills. 20% of it goes to my fuck off account, and the rest goes to savings. And that's kind of how I keep my money circulating, y'all. So y'all just got some real free game. And if you do that and you practice that shit, I promise you, you will see a lot of difference in life. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you go with that formula. Only 20% of my money. So if you only making $2,000 a month, only $200 of it is supposed to be getting spent on clubs, shoes, hoes, and all the extra shit. You know what I'm saying? You're not living the type of lifestyle to do the type of shit you're trying to do. You know what I'm saying? You need to take baby steps, otherwise you'll never get to the point where you can actually live that lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like that's something we chase because we looking on Instagram, and everybody on Instagram making it seem like this shit just, that's why I tell y'all the real. This shit ain't easy. You feel me? This shit like anything else, bro. You feel me? This shit took years and years and years, bro. And I could have easily not been right here. I could easily be places I don't even want to speak about. You feel me? Like, so it ain't nothing. It ain't really nothing for real. Like, don't try to chase something you ain't ready for. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get there. You gonna get the Rodeo Drive, but you can't be on Rodeo Drive trying to spend money like Lil Baby when you ain't making no Lil Baby money. That's just what's going on. You feel me? We gonna play some Takeoff though, man. Rest in peace, Takeoff. Ice chains for the gang.